Hello everyone, I'm Winnie. Have you ever in this situation like you don't know how to install your smart lock on your door? But don't worry with our smart lock because we have the steps, we have the instruction of installation and the diagram of the size, And of course, we have the steps by steps on the package. So you know what is next. So this whole thing is for this smart lock. It's made of aluminum alloy and tempered glass. And from this part is certified in ANSI grade 2. And also made of stainless steel material, so it's more durable. So if you want to know more information, just feel free to contact us.